pieces, no home. You told me it wouldn't feel like this, torn apart, such a mess.